Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Genshin Impact account. For that you need to go and find this HoYo account website and open this, and there you need to fill up this form, and before that you need to log in and simply tap here and enter your username, and if they ask you to enter your password, simply tap on having problems and tap on forgot password, and you need to enter your username over here, enter your email address, and they will send you a verification code on your email, on your Gmail, and just paste that verification code over here, and you'll get to reset your password, and that is how you can reset your Genshin Impact password and go back to your app and log in here. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.